ready. Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off here on Croft Field number 1 for qualification match number 115. Over on the Blue Alliance side, we have Unity Sunset, who is cycling those artifacts from the ramp, collecting them and launching them, going 3 for 3 times in a row. Over on the red side, we have a competitor that is Plant Tech, who is launching those artifacts from the near launch zone as well.
Pick up your controllers.
If you take a look over at the far side of the field, we have Mars Curiosity representing the blue team and Jefferson Psydogs representing the red team. There is only about 10-point difference as we enter the driver-operated period of gameplay. That means it could be anyone's game. With the two blue teams nearing this near launch zone, they're taking the strategy of close is best and using that to launch those artifacts in, while the Red Alliance is doing the opposite. They're making use of that far launch zone. That is Plant Tech doing it best, with Jefferson Psydogs over in the near launch zone as they collect more artifacts to fill up that ramp. Red Alliance having a now full ramp. They have a choice to make. When will they empty it? Because anything they score now is considered overflow. Over on the Blue Alliance side, changing things up, Unity Sunset is using that far launch zone as they launch those artifacts in. They were joined briefly by Plant Tech over there, who is continuing to launch a volley, going volley for volley in that far launch zone as they try to make up that points in the near. Mars Curiosity emptying that ramp for the Blue Alliance with just about 30 seconds left on the clock. They're gonna have to refill it and refill it fast. That goes for the Red Alliance as well, as they each are going to be nearing endgame very shortly here. While right now it does not look like anyone is going for pattern points, we will see if that changes as the Blue Alliance fills up that ramp and the red as they park with 3, 2, 1, and that is qualification match number 115 here on
Which is Blue Alliance with a score of 231. Now let's get to a very interesting match, 117.